Palabas na naman ako. Galakad ako pupunta sa train station. Susunduin ko si Jong. Samahan ko siya mag-grocery sa may tawag dun? Sa may Chinatown. Pero kakain muna kami. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast. Nagugutom na ako. Nakachinelas lang ako. Nandito kami ngayon sa may McDonald's brunch namin. Brunch na, no? Ayun, message yung nasawa ko. Kaya mo lagi na nung nag-spill yung food. Kain. Kain.
Ay, order mo.
Yeah, chicken. Tapos si Jong is double cheeseburger.
Gusto ko lang ganyan kalayo,
Perfect. Oo nga. Tapos ako yung mataba. Okay, kain. Hello, andito kami sa may toilet. Ayan si Jong. Ayun, no, nagabala pa siya. Bumili siya ng gift. Thank you. Dito yung toilet sa may Hougang. Malinis, no? Tag yun, nakachinelas lang talaga ako. Si Jong, sexy.
Ano ba? Wala, may dapat ko.
Dito na kami. Lumalayo si Jong. Ayan, Ayan. Ito yung parang market nila, no?
Oo.
Tapos dito, yung parang hawker. Tapos dito yung OG Mall. Dito, palagi kami dito.
Sa mall na to.
Yan yung may Daiso eh. Yan, nandito na. Mag-grocery na si Jong. Wala yun yung pinag-groceryhan niya. Favorite daw niya kasi itong Swanson. Ay, Swanston. Ayan, mura yung mga bilihin ata nila dito. Ayun,
Pwede ako ng anti-hair fall. 390.
Sabihin mo sa akin pag maganda. Testing. Ayan.
Uy, grabe, wala kasi kasabi-sabi.
Sa house ni Jong.
Sa'yo, ikaw ba yan?
Hindi, sa'yo. Ay, tinatry na niya yung nabili niyang
Ito.
Anong tawag kasi dyan? Scent water?
Air Revitalizer Concentrate.
Ang daming pangalan.
Lemongrass.
Basta ganyan. Ang bango niya, parang spa lang. Madilim na, Jong. Kailangan mo lang tanggalin yung kortina mo. Ayan, mag-haul pala siya. Tapos yun, bumili kami ng merienda. Pilipinong-Pilipino eh. Ito yung haul ko pala. Piatos, Nova, tas Cokes. Tapos ito, yung gift ni Jong. Hindi ko pa nabubuksan.
Unboxing, please.
Tapos ito, yung Downy. Pang-auntie. Ayan. I-haul ni Jong yung niya pala. Mamaya. Sige. Papunta na kami sa IKEA. Natay na lang namin yung bus 27. Yan.
Ay, double decker.
Oo, no. $1. Ayan, oo. Tsaka sa Owl. Mr. Owl. Kaso grabe yung nose niya, ang sharp. $9.90.
Uy, tapos may baka.
Where? Baka ba yan? Just baba.
Kambing.
Ano yung duck ba yung isa, Ang cute. Ayun. Nandun pala sila, nagpapakahirap tayo. Ayan. €1. Oo. Yan, lista-lista na. Mga Yan, parang yun yung model. Para meron kang idea kung maggagawa ka na ng house. Right? Yan.
Papasok ako.
Welcome to Jong's house. Living room pala. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree.
Hi guys, welcome to my
Welcome to my crib.
welcome to my Christmas tree.
Yan.
May
Sofa. Ang ganda dito. Tingnan mo sa sa vlog.
ito pa dapat. I-vlog kita.
Hindi na. Because naka-slipper ako.
Hindi yung mukha mo.
Hindi yung mukha.
Dito, yung parang, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube. Diba ako?
Ang ganda niyan. Parang gusto ko siyang bilhin in fairness.
14 lang, girl.
Hindi kaya.
Ayan 14.
Baby, itong buong to.
Oo, ano? $14.
Pero saan ko naman iiwan? Eh, wala pa akong bahay. Yan, feel na feel ni Jong, oh. Bahay niya. Init. Ayan. Pangalawang cubicle pa lang kami ni Jong. I-feel na namin. Halika na nga. Yan. Ngayon sa IKEA. Hindi ko alam kung may IKEA sa Philippines. Ay, wala pala, no? Ayan, yung mga Bali, may kanya-kanyang team yung isang cubicle.
$99 lang, eh.
Baka pag umupo si Jong, ay si Dwayne,
99 lang, oh. Not bad, ah.
para sa dalawa, no?
Oo, 2
Yan, hi!
99.
May IKEA pa din. Uy, ayan yung namin sa...
Oh, may ganun din ako. Hawaii. Ang ganda nito, girl.
May gusto ko yun, yung red. Oh, yan. Ito maganda kasi parang tingnan mo. Meron siyang room doon, tapos sa baba, may sofa. Tapos, yun. Yan, parang yung mga single na people, binibigyan nila ng idea. Tapos lahat yan binibenta nila dito. Maliban din sa mga utensils. Ay, appliances, I mean. Yung utensils, meron din sila dito. Hi! Yun yung mirror. Mirror shop. Ay, ang ganda nung setting ng table. Oh.
Goose chair.
Baby, we're at the display cabinet. Tumakbo na naman si Jong, oh. Ang tawag doon? Oh yeah, baby, I'm telling you this one. Is it nice? Yeah. Okay. Sa Daiso ka na lang bumili ng ganyan. $2 lang. $2 talaga eh.
$4.90 dalawa.
Ay, parehas lang din. Mura lang ng
Ay, meron ko nalang.
Ayan. Ito yung mga display set. Oh. My friend have this one the black one. $79. Cheap only, oh. No?
Teka na, chop lang.
Ito yung gusto ko dun sa magiging bahay ko. Parang ang tawag dun, meron siyang parang Long Island. Tapos meron yung upuan dito. Para pag nagluto ka, ala, inayos niya. Feeling mo bahay mo na, no? Naglaro ang ate. Kasi ito yung, small. Oh, Jong, ganyan na lang, oh. Bilhin mo. Saktong-sakto, oh.
Ay, isang set na ba to?
Hindi, yung table wag, yung upuan.
Yung upuan na bibiling ko?
Oh. Eh, yung table na nakita natin, mas mura eh.
Morning.
Ayan, nandito na sa nandito sa bahay namin si Jong. Nagpalit kami ng kwarto. Diyos. Dito pa rin kami sa IKEA. Ayan yung yung bed namin sa house. Ito yung price niya. Oo, no?
Shabby chic. Ang ganda talaga ng pink and gray.
Oo, bagay.
Purple and gray. Ngayon ko lang nariyan.
Uy. Tapos pwede kang mag-makeup here. O, diba? For $4.9 lang.
Vlog na lang ako.
Hi! Andito na si baby. Andito na si Dwayne. We're eating, me and Jong eating pasta with meatballs from IKEA. Then, Abby is having chicken wings. Kasi kumain na siya. So, snack na lang ngayon. Kain tayo! See how Dwayne eat the chicken with fork and spoon, knife. Then, that lady there also same. Tapos, binigyan pa nila ako ng chicken wings. Yung wings lang talaga. Kasi yun lang ang kinakain ko sa chicken. Hindi na ba say kain tayo?
Kain tayo.
How come you're so stressed?
Concentrating. If not, later chicken fly not very nice.
Kami ng candle, ito, kasi pag pupunta kami sa church, pwedeng dalhin. Then, ito ang bango din, apple. Tapos, meron din doon yung iba. Maraming, Hindi ko alam kung how much is it, baby? The candle? 490, 30 pieces. 490 siya. Oh, meron din yung ganito, star na candle. Meron din dito. Candle. Laki. Oh, ito yung mga candle holder. This the candle holder, nice, oh. Ito yung sa malaki.
The same
The big one, right?
Oh. Finish, you can use it as a short lash.
Ayun si Jong, niyakap-yakap niya yung ano niya.
Very expensive.
Very expensive. 150. Ayun, oh, ganda, no? Pero kasi sabi nung nanay ni Dwayne, bawal daw maglagay ng fake flower sa bahay. Eh, meron ako. Hindi ko alam. Right? Mom say, cannot put fake flower at home, right?
Yeah.
Eh, meron na ako. Ayoko namang itapon. Sayang.
Oh, ito, 90 cents off.
This is a real one.
Is this real? Ay, totoo siya. Totoo siya.
No, this one.
Ay, that one fake. Hey, this one real.
Oh, Christmas tree.
38.90 siya,
Can
oh.
buy, no?
Christmas tree.
Yes, mini Christmas tree. Next year, malaki na siya.
They have the actual
The big one.
You buy
Gusto
it,
mo
you
ng
can
real one.
finish already, you can return them.
Yeah.
Oh.
They will,
You have refund or something? No.
I think they will give you a bit, right?
Uy, nice
Rose.
naman. But, oh, this one.
Oh, there. There, the real one. Is this the real one? Oh yeah, correct. This is the real one. The real Christmas tree. Let's smell. Walang amoy.
First time.
Ayan, oh. Hinag na ni Jong. Naiyak pa. Ay, baby! Look at that. You can buy this one, eh. No, this one. The ornament.
Naman, girl, parang naka-bigtish. Parang mas suicide.
Suicide. Nice. Oh, yung cute, oh.
Ay, this one's cute.
Huh?
Kapaw. Ay, this one, oh.
Cute there. Bunting-ting.
Buting-ting.
No star to put on it.
Never mind, our star is okay. I love our star.
For me. Color.
Yeah. Love, love.
I don't have love now.
Wow, grabe. Look at this. It's a mess, you know.
Glitter.
Huh? What's that? Candle. Ayun, may punsetsa. Dito na kami sa may parang storage area. Bali sa IKEA. Ikaw yung kukuha nung mo. Self-service. So, dapat tandaan mo yung number. Tapos, yan. Nakalagay dyan. Tapos, kukunin mo na lang yung mga parts ng kailangan mo. Meron doon, yung sa likod, doon pa. Ayan, oh. Oh, gaganyan na naman to.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. O nga, subscribe naman kayo sa sa channel ni Jong.
It's kind of annoying.
Mas masaya pag madami.
No naman. No, I get. Come on, girl.
Ayun, oh, ang cute, oh.
Where's the 8? I'll eat.
Grabe naman si Dwayne. Nagsulo. Pumili kami ng ice cream. Self-service yung ice cream dito. See? Lalagay mo yung coin na bibigay nila, then press. Then boom, like say-say. There you go.
Scary naman.
There. Baby, you take.
I don't know how to.
Okay, one more. We'll sit first, ah. Oh, here, I think they got... I think here they got, chair. Meron sa upuan doon banda, di ba? Baby, don't play. Got people at the back.
I want to keep the coin.
Sa IKEA coin.
Oh, you cannot have ice cream, but Jong bought for you. Hello, dito na ako sa house. Sinundo ako ni... bali, nag-meet kami nila dun sa IKEA. Ay, nag-vlog pala kami kanina, no, baby? Yeah, I'm going to do unboxing. Unboxing talaga. This one is gift from Jong and Edmond. Thank you. Hindi ko talaga ine-expect. Sabi ko pa sa kanya just now I told her why you bringing so many things? Because she got one paper bag. Yung pala para sa akin. So we'll open it. Okay? You open with me.
Oh, showing my body.
Don't show your body, your face only. This one must keep in my memory box. So generous. Got a lot of things inside. It's like she know me too well, like that. See, he bought me a nail polish, the OPI one, with free pouch pa. There. Oh, cute. Hey, thank you, Jong. I love it so much. Oh, baby Daniel Steele, my favorite. My book that I have never read. The title is Just Fitting. Yeah, Jong, this is my favorite, one of my favorite author.
Is it?
Yeah, I told you the daddy. Then I always borrow the book from the library. Remember? You don't know the books that I read.
It all seems alien to me.
Yeah, actually he don't really mind the books that I read. He only like the who is that? Mitch album. Thank you so much, Jong. I love it. At saka Edmond pala. I forgot Edmond. Thank you. Hey, how come it's so dark? Yeah. It's already 10:30, right? Tawag doon? Magpapahinga lang si Abby kasi may pasok pa siya tomorrow. Kaya yun. Yeah, I'm having the cake, leftover cake from yesterday. My birthday cake. It's quite nice. It's from Awfully Chocolate, is it?
Awfully chocolate.
Awfully Chocolate. That's yeah, my favorite tea for the moment. What is this,
Chamomile.
Chamomile tea from English Tea Shop, yung brand. So, yeah, we're going to say good night na. Tomorrow again. Good night, baby.
Hey, I see my hit.
Good night. Thank you for watching.